Hello travelers, Tuscany is calling you with its rolling hills, vineyards that go on forever, and a history as rich as its famous Chianti Classico wine. This is a place where you can walk through medieval streets, look in awe at Renaissance masterpieces, and enjoy some of the world's best food. Whether your family loves history, art, or just having adventures, Tuscany promises a trip you'll never forget. Imagine walking through old town squares, hearing the happy sounds of locals as you eat gelato under the Tuscan sun. Picture your kids with big excited eyes exploring castles and learning how to make pasta from recipes passed down for generations. This is the magic of Tuscany, a place where history comes alive, beauty is all around, and every moment is a chance to make wonderful memories. So pack your bags, get ready for adventure, and get ready to experience the heart of Italy. Tuscany is waiting for you with open arms and a warm welcome. Getting to Tuscany is easy with several international airports ready to greet you. Florence Airport, Pisa International Airport, and Rome's Fiumicino Airport are all great starting points to this beautiful region. From there you can take a train or rent a car to get to your hotel. Renting a car is the best way to see Tuscany's hidden treasures. Imagine driving through roads lined with cypress trees, the sun on your face and the wind in your hair. Remember, driving in Italy is an adventure itself, so learn a little about local traffic rules and enjoy the ride. Trains are another good way to explore big cities like Florence, Siena, and Pisa. Italy's train system is really good and offers amazing views along the way. Plus, it's a great way to relax and enjoy the trip while someone else drives. Tuscany is full of things you have to see. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, will amaze you. The Duomo, a huge cathedral with a dome designed by Brunelleschi, is a sight you won't believe. Climb to the top for amazing views of the city. Don't miss the Uffizi Gallery, home to famous paintings by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. And for a taste of history, walk across the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's only bridge not destroyed during World War II, now a cute street with shops. Go outside of Florence to see Siena, a medieval city famous for its paleo horse race and beautiful Piazza del Campo. Explore the cute hilltop towns of San Gimignano with its medieval towers and Montepulciano, known for its Vino Nobile wine. For a fun family day, go to Pisa and take the classic Leaning Tower photo. Let your kids pretend to push the tower back into place. And of course, no trip to Tuscany is complete without exploring the Chianti region, where you can enjoy wine tastings, vineyard tours, and yummy Tuscan food. Get ready to enjoy some delicious food in Tuscany, where food isn't just something to eat, it's a celebration. Trattorias, with their checkered tablecloths and family-friendly atmosphere, are perfect for trying real Tuscan food. Start your food journey with a classic ribollita, a hearty bread and vegetable soup. Enjoy the rich flavors of pappardelle al cinghiale, a wide pasta dish with wild boar sauce. And don't miss the bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick, juicy T-bone steak cooked perfectly. For a sweet treat, try cantucci, almond cookies usually dipped in vinsanto, a sweet dessert wine. And of course, no trip to Italy is complete without gelato. From creamy pistachio to refreshing lemon, there's a flavor for everyone.